Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Whoa. So could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Payton Johnson. I got 6-car EVL 18s and a 2.5 to 1.1 ratio 4th order.
Nice.
Tuned at 44 hertz in the front. Got 4-scar SKV2 4500s strapped at 1.33, 100 amp hour lithium, 2 brand X at 390 and a 370, and a broke USB.
Broke USB. Wow, this looks good. I think your last build was it 4 18s, and now you got 6.
Yeah.
So you pretty much 1.5 extra cone area. Do you like this more? More happy with it?
Well, for one, I actually built it, so
Yeah.
that's what.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Personal.
And you got the back panel you can remove. Did you ever do that for any reason, just so you can get in the back? Or looks good.
Yeah.
Right.
Nope.
Looks good. Solid dash too. Nice.
What does he have in there?
He's got 4 EVL 18, or 6 EVL 18s now on 4500s. While you get that fixed, I'm gonna go look at your amps real quick.
Okay.
If that's all right. Did you build the box to where it slid in, or did you actually build it into the vehicle?
In the vehicle.
In the vehicle? Wow. Just trying to figure that out. It was a really tight fit space. It's really good. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walker, and we just got a Payton 6 18-inch subwoofer system 4th order build. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Show in 2021 in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Looking forward to showing y'all the demo. Let Payton know what you think about his system by commenting something positive, as well as giving him a thumbs up. Looking forward to showing y'all. He's going to play down to 15 hertz in this subwoofer-based demo. He's got 2 songs for us. He's also having some head unit stereo issues with the USB popping. We're going to go ahead and get down to business. So I noticed he's got only 4 amps instead of 6. So I'm going to assume he's running 3 subs strapped per 2 amps at probably 0.5 to 0.7 ohm. So he's definitely getting the power to those subs that are rated at 1250 to 1500 watts RMS, the EVL series from Scar. So he also has a nice inverted variation for his system, so he's able to has the cooling and the voice coil smell whenever he knows when to turn it down. And it's really windy. He has a 2.5 to 1 ratio 4th order, so he's going to be able to play down to 15 hertz in this demo, as I was saying earlier. So looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds, and enjoy the demo. USB now, you're going to have to get where you can hold it or set it on your lap or something.
I think I might get the cord and run it down there and up through here or something.
Yeah. Wow.
Let's go a little lower. How about that?
Okay. How low is your frequency response on this?
14.
14? Wow, so you play 14 hertz? Man, very nice. Good cone control then. The high notes is what's causing that to cut. Certain notes, it vibrates inside the internals, and
I might just get it to build it where I can hold it.
you're getting that loud.
Yeah, that's about it.
Your favorite song?
Peace out.
You're gonna have to hold it. Wow. Really good bandwidth for a fourth order. Nice job, man. You're happy with it. Thank you, man.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to see you again, Payton. Appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
I know you got some bass head issues, but you got the show. Appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
Woo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.